So having this already set up, same formula, same pieces, put them together. On the top, we should have 4 minus 6, which is negative 2. On the bottom, Alondra pointed this out last time, it's a plus. Negative 3 plus 3. What is negative 3 plus 3? It's 0. So first problem is a lot of people are going to say that this is some sort of 6 or negative 6. It is 0. Make sure you have that part right. But here's our problem. How do I reduce this? Knowing this is a division problem, knowing that I'm supposed to find something at the end, I don't want to just leave it like this. How can I create a final answer? And this is something that may get a little tricky for some people. Let's get some ideas. Robert?
Since there's no denominator, just take off the 0 and the fraction thing, and it's negative 2.
Okay, so Robert says that because there's a 0 here, it means there is no denominator, and we should just write negative 2. So there's one idea. What else do we have? Brendan?
Well, as you said earlier, the fraction is
Okay, I like this. He says that the fraction bar is a division sign, so this is asking me to do negative 2 divided by 0. Let's stop and think about that. Division is like splitting things into equal groups. If you had negative 2, so don't even worry about the negative sign right now. If you had 2 of something, think about what this would mean. Could you take 2 of something and split it, divide it, into 0 groups? Can you take 2 of something, somehow split them apart to make 0 groups? What would that look like? Anyone have an idea? Leah's just over there shaking her head a whole bunch at me like this is just ridiculous. That's good, because it is. You can't take something that exists, like a 2, a negative 2, and split it into 0 groups. There's still something there. It is impossible to divide something by 0. This is a rule of mathematics you guys should have seen earlier, probably in elementary school. You cannot divide by 0. It is impossible. You try to do it on a calculator, it just says error. But when we're talking about slope, there's a word for this. Because dividing by 0 is impossible, it is not an actual thing, we say that it is undefined. It's a little hard to read there with the ink from the other side of the page, but undefined. I'll write it underneath so it's a little easier to see.